Hello and welcome back. Welcome to an unboxing. We have Sacred Space Crate December 2022 box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have for this month. Oh, it smells pretty. So we have, for the theme, Sacred Healer. I'm not going to read anything else on those because it will tell us what's in the box. Okay, so it looks like this once you open it. Let me check my thing here, all crooked. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to put these over here on the side. We'll look at those after. So we have a pretty little sticker. I am a witch. I do not curse or beguile others. I am simply a healer who lives in harmony with all nature, and I manifest my dreams through the channels of the universe. I really like that. I hate to have to... Well, I actually can say that I think... make a little sticker out of it because it's super cute. I like that. Oh, it smells so good. I know I'm smelling mistletoe or something in there. Okay, so we open up. Oh, wow. Yeah, Crystal Apothecary. So we have some incense sticks, tidings of joy. And they smell divine. Get a pretty good little amount there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I'll fold this under here so we can lay out everything over here best we can. Got this huge little box here. This looks like it's going to be the big item, so I'm going to hold off on that. See if we've got anything else. And we do. We've got couple bubble wrapped items here. Our salve. Our crystal. And some tea. Okay, so for the tea, Yuletide cheer tea. Black tea, orange peel, and something else. Cinnamon. That sounds good. Yes, contains caffeine. I don't drink tea because I can't have caffeine. I know there's decaffeinated, but tea can interfere with medications if you don't know that. So, and I'm on a lot of them. Then we have a crystal here. This is a raw one. I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm not gonna guess it. I would say if I had to guess it, it would be some type of citrine or calcite, but we will see when we get to the paperwork. Here we have our herb, and I love their little jars. Nettle leaf. Nettle leaf. I love these little jars. Got quite the collection of them. These guys used to be my favorite, and then I got disappointed a couple times, so I stopped. But I felt like getting their box this month, so I did. So here I'm assuming we have a oil. Ooh, earth grounding oil with tiger eye, contains sunflower oil. So it is, sorry, I had that out of the screen. So you can actually probably put this on you. Look at all the tiger's eye in there. This is awesome. Grounding oil. I'm not smelling anything. Now I am. Yes, it smells good. I just don't know if I'd want to smell like it. I mean, maybe during some meditation and some grounding, some yoga or whatnot. Then we have the Rash Relief Salve. I don't use these. My sister very well may. They never really smell, but we have the Rash Relief, but she's been getting rashes. She's just been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer and has it running through her body like wildflower. So guess anything could bring relief. Okay, and for our big item, I'm going to close all this down and get this big box out of the way. And hopefully this is impressive because I can use the incense, but I really have my favorites. The crystal's pretty. I like the grounding oil and the nettle. I can't drink the tea. Let's see what we have in this crystal apothecary. Usually their big item is very satisfying. Let's hope it's true this month as well. It's been a couple months, I think, since I've subscribed with them. I've been just sticking with the Witch's Moon because really never disappointed with them. And the boxes are quite costly. This one's $60, so I want to be impressed. Okay, let's see. So you get this nice little wooden box with the hinge, and let's see what's inside. Oh my, oh my. Hopefully we can see this. Okay, this is just to protect what's inside. Oh wow. So we have a Healing Hands ritual candle. That right there is perfect. I'm always about healing. Whatever is in here is very heavy. I'm going to give that one a minute because this has caught my eye. Look how gorgeous. It's wrapped up though. I'm wondering if it comes out of that wrapping. I would say yes. I would hope so. I don't want to break it because whatever this is, it looks like a geode, and it is beautiful. I think it's just wrapped for protection. Yes. Okay, yes, definitely a geode. Okay, look at how beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then we have, I'm sure this is sage. Yep, sage. I have so many sage sticks. I unwrap them now and I pull each one off and put them in jars, and I just use them by the sticks. Here we have a pendulum. I was going to say I'm not even going to open it because I already have my pendulums that I use. Plus, I sell so many in my shop, so I have like an overload of pendulums. So, either way though, someone who doesn't have a pendulum getting the box. Okay. Looks like we have some more crystals. Obviously, the box was Crystal Apothecary. just got done rearranging all my crystals today, actually. Oh, that's so pretty. Looks like amethyst, but you just never know. It's another geode. These are gorgeous. My daughter and I actually just, we were breaking these open a couple weeks ago. It was pretty fun. I do appreciate how they have them wrapped nice and safely. Oh my goodness. Not sure. Might be a rose, maybe rose quartz. I'm not sure. The lighting isn't the best in here. Oh wow, 2 more here, plus this big bag. So let's see. I want to say tourmaline. Black tourmaline, very good for protection. I'm going to set that there so I don't lose it in the black there. So yes, this box was definitely worth it. Oh, really nice. Looks like we have clear quartz here. It's just, you never know, because some things will look like one thing and they end up being another, but we'll definitely find out when we read. All right, let's see what we have in this little satchel here. If we can get it open. Is it tied? Yes, it was tied. Okay. Gorgeous. And here we have a handful of stones. Beautiful tiger's eye square there. Beautiful clear quartz. I can't believe it's not coming to mind. Jasper here. Looks like a little bit of amethyst, rose quartz. I can't believe this one isn't coming to mind. Lapis lazuli. But we will find out. I'm going to set these. Oh, there's something else in there too that I didn't even see. This is one of my favorite crystals, and I can't, it's just not coming to my mind. This feels like it may be a little delicate, so I'm trying to be a little easy there. Oh, a piece of selenite. It's cute, but I have tons of it, and they are good for slivers. I don't want one. Okay, so we've got some really pretty pieces just alone in the apothecary box here. I'm just trying to see if this is scented or not. Yes, it is, and it smells really, really pretty. So, Healing Hand Ritual Candle. Okay, let's see what our paperwork has to say. What do we have here? Okay. And I won't read it all because obviously you would have to, you know, purchase the box. So we got the Sage Bundle. Healing Hands Ritual Candle. So, you know, as it is, light your white healing ritual candle to bring in positive light while also clearing out energy that is affecting the person you are healing. We have the chakra pendulum. And it goes on to tell a lot about that. Still more on the chakras. A bag of shocking healing crystals. And I need to know the green adventuring. I cannot believe it wasn't coming to mind. But you get a whole lot on the chakras there. I already know so much about them. And it goes on all the way to here. Then we have the black tourmaline. Very beautiful piece for protection. Then we have the quartz crystal point, which was this one. Amethyst geode crystal, which we were right on that. Then we have the quartz geode crystal. Absolutely so happy with this piece right here. Absolutely, because I love quartz. Anyway, quartz is my favorite. And it goes on to say a lot of stuff, but I'm not going to read that because obviously, you know, you would have to purchase the box. Then we have the selenite wand. Then we have a nettle and herb jar. The spirit of nettle represents itself to me as a firm, ferocious crone, strong and tough like the fibers, fibres of the plant. Nettle medicine goes deep, breaking up stagnation and removing old dead waste from our bodies. That's why this herb can be used to alleviate constipation too. As Susan Weed says, nettle cuts loose old patterns and reweaves connections. Yes, indeed. Then you get some more. Helps with anemia. Has a lot of uses. This herb in our food, our bodies know how to use nutrients because we've co-evolved with plants, and nettle grows all over the world. So most of us have ancestral ties to this plant. So eat, drink, and make magic with this green ally. Nettle can be used in several spells, including protection, exorcism, dispelling evil, body cleansing and purification, healing spells, love spells, but it's parentheses uncommon. Important, please check with your pharmacist or physician before taking any natural herb internally. Then we have the earth oil in Tiger's Eye roller ball bottle. Earth oil is for grounding and calming. I like to start my healing sessions with applying this to the pulse points of my patients to get them in the state of grounding and calmness. This roller bottle is easily carried in your apothecary kit or handbag. The roller ball is a Tiger's Eye crystal. Wait a minute. The roller ball, oh, okay, yes. The roller ball is a Tiger's Eye crystal, and the bottle is filled with Tiger Eye crystals as well for its powerful grounding energy. I noticed that when I opened it, that the rolling ball is actually a Tiger's Eye as well. Then we have the Golden Healer Quartz. So that must be this one, yes. Golden, see what I mean? I had guessed it to be citrine or a different one, calcite, I think I said. But it's actually Golden Healers Quartz. Beautiful. I don't think I have one. Golden Healers are the crystal of total healing, empowering you to heal yourself and others. It promotes peace, alignment, and soothes your mind, body, and spirit. This is a wonderful crystal to use to connect with your higher self, spirit guides, and guardians of wellness. Golden Healers help you reprogram yourself to release yourself of unhealthy habits and patterns They are an excellent crystal for energy workers, therapists, and healers. That's beautiful. Clear quartz is the stone of manifestation that energizes and activates the energy centers within the body. It helps the wearer to think clearly, allowing them to focus and become clear about their dreams and desires. Assisting with spiritual development, clear quartz assists in removing blockages in the body so that energy can flow smoothly. It is also a master healing stone that enhances the properties of other stones that it comes in contact with and can be charged and programmed. I think we already read those ones. Okay, then we have the rash relief salve. This handmade salve was made with golden seal root, nettle, lavender, myrrh, and red clover. Used to soothe and treat rashes on the body. Great for wounds as well, so makes a perfect first aid ointment to keep in your apothecary. Then we have the Yuletide cheer tea. Please note, before using any herbal remedies, check with your doctor or pharmacist to make sure that they don't conflict with any medications that you are taking, just as I had said before. And if you are pregnant or nursing, check with your doctor. Then we have Tidings of Joy incense sticks. They smell beautiful. Moon in the zodiac calendar. I think the calendar, yeah. My only thing ever with these guys with the calendars is they don't do me any good because they run on CST time, so they're not my time. And then on the back here we have the moon in the zodiac, and we get some, I would say, well, Aries, this is the time that you will be motivated to start something new, start an exercise program, or a short-term project. I'll read mine. A good time, Scorpio, a good time to find what motivates you. Harness your own power and take control. Get rid of things that no longer serve you. Exactly what I've been doing. Mercury retrograde. So beautiful. This was absolutely a beautiful box. I am completely satisfied with this one. What do we have here? Okay. Completely satisfied with this one. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty things in this one. I will be sorting it all through, cleansing and setting everything up tomorrow as I am headed to bed to watch some movies. It has been a long day and family's coming up, so time to rest and prepare. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and blessed be.